In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create journal entries in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a seasoned accountant or just getting started with bookkeeping, mastering the art of journal entries is a vital skill for accurate financial record keeping. So let's dive right in and walk through the process together. After you've successfully logged into your QuickBooks Online account, you're ready to create a new journal entry. First, navigate over to the left-hand side of your screen and click on the New option. This menu that pops up acts as your central hub for all the actions you can initiate in QuickBooks Online. It's a good idea to take a little time to familiarize yourself with this menu, as it will significantly ease your navigation through the platform in the future. Once you've taken a look, go ahead and select Journal Entry from the list. This feature is particularly useful for manually recording transactions that aren't automatically entered by QuickBooks, like depreciation or accrued expenses. With the journal entry form now open, you're ready to start adding details. Begin by selecting the initial account for your entry on the first line. You can either type in the account name or choose it from the drop-down menu provided. This account usually represents where the money is coming from or heading to. Once you've identified the right account, proceed to enter more specific details regarding this transaction on the first line. Fill in the amount, provide a description, and include any other relevant information. These details are crucial not only for providing context to your entry, but also for maintaining clear, comprehensive records that you or others can easily review at a later date. Once you've completed the first line, move on to the second line of your journal entry. Here, you'll add the other account involved in this transaction. Just as you did earlier, select the appropriate account and input all necessary details. Keep in mind that entries generally require at least 2 accounts to balance your books correctly. As you input the details on the second line, ensure that the information mirrors what you have on the first line and remains accurate. Proper record keeping at this stage is essential, as it will save you considerable time and effort when reviewing financial statements later on. Finally, before you hit save, take a moment to review all the details of your journal entry. Double-check to ensure that everything is accurate and that your debit and credit amounts are balanced. Once you're confident everything looks correct, click on Save and New if you wish to create another entry, or simply hit Save to exit. This step securely logs your data within QuickBooks. Creating journal entries in QuickBooks Online is a straightforward yet powerful tool in your accounting toolkit, enabling you to maintain precise and up-to-date financial records. Thanks for watching, and happy bookkeeping.